A warm welcome to my creative American people and people across the globe. Google has launched its new beast, Gemini 3 Pro, and you can use it to create very professional-looking websites and landing pages. It also allows you to design apps and build a premium user interfaces. And just for fun, you can also create clones of any existing website or app. Furthermore, you can produce highly professional-looking presentations all with just a single prompt. Now, if you're a student and you are struggling with a concept, just hand Gemini a single prompt, and it will explain the entire concept to you visually. So honestly, you can't even imagine how powerful and useful this AI tool has become. Today in this video, we are diving into the real-world use cases, showing you how to put this to work and make your job easier. Don't worry, I will share the prompts with you for free, but it will be password protected. So watch this video till end to get the password for the PDF. So let's jump right in. Simply head over to your browser, type in Gemini, and click the first link. Once you land on the homepage, first double-check whether you're using the latest 3.0 model or the older 2.5 version. To check that, look down here. If it says fast, that means you're still on the 2.5 model. Simply click on that and select Thinking with 3.0 Pro to access the latest features. Also, don't forget to select the Canvas option. If you miss this step, it will only give you the raw code, and you will need a totally different platform just to open the HTML code. Alright, let's jump in and build a web page for an e-commerce site. I'm going to paste the prompt right here, then hit the Submit button. Look how fast it starts coding. I mean, in literally 5 to 10 seconds, the code is just flowing. If you were sitting down to write all of this yourself, imagine the time loss. Just look at this. Our website is ready and it looks incredibly professional. I mean, who could tell that this website was made just by typing a prompt? Now, suppose I want to tweak something. Let's say I'm not happy with the plain white background. I will just type, change the background theme to a dark pink and gold theme and hit submit. It will start the coding again. And as you can see, within seconds, it perfectly transformed the entire theme to a dark pink and gold aesthetic. Now let's try something different. I want to build a mobile app for my restaurant, and I want it to look exactly like my sketch design. To do that, I will simply upload this image and make sure to Canvas. Option is selected so that I can preview it the moment it's done coding. Now I will paste this prompt, hit the submit button, just watch it starts the coding process for the interface right away. And here you go, our application is ready. As you can see, it perfectly converted our rough sketch into a fully functioning application. I mean, look at this. You can literally add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Now, just for fun, you can also clone any professional website. For now, I am going to make a clone of YouTube. I will just paste my next prompt here with all the basics details and then hit submit button. And within seconds, it will start its coding process. And just look at this. Our fully functional YouTube clone is ready. It also has thumbnails for videos. And we can even play the videos. I mean, this update is really crazy. Now, if you're a student, Gemini is about to be your new best friend. If you are stuck on a concept, it explains it visually. Let's suppose I have a question about how a solar panel produces electricity. I will just type that, then add the word, explain it visually, right after it. Then hit the submit button. It will start making a visual concept for my doubt. Here you go. It explains the inner working of a solar panel with animation. This tool is literally a gem for students. Similarly, I have made a presentation slides on global warming just by giving one prompt. You can even download this PPT by clicking the download button. So whether you're a working professional or a student or a content creator, you can use this advanced Gemini 3 to get your work done within seconds. If you want more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon now. Go try Gemini 3, and I'll see you in the next video.